The Māori Plan, enhancing leadership and participation in the community. That's an expression of Rangatiratanga. Mana whenua and mātāwaka want to actively participate and demonstrate leadership in the community.
What Rangatiratanga is really about is how you unify and bind people together in joyful ways through work, through the articulation of a vision, through leading people. That's what rangatira means, to weave groups of people together.
Rangatiratanga can be expressed through leadership and participation. Greater involvement in governance and management of council and other public and community organisations ensures the inclusion of Māori values and aspirations within decision-making processes. The Independent Māori Statutory Board conducted workshops with practitioners and experts to create Māori advancement action plans. Here are some actions that enhance leadership and participation.
Auckland Council can support financial literacy programs and grow the management capability of Māori to ensure Māori business success. Auckland Tourism, Events and Economic Development to facilitate the development of an Auckland-wide Māori tourism strategy.
Kia au nei ko te rangatiratanga, he āhuatanga ka tae au te tūrangatira I roto I tēnei ao. Nā runga I te mōhio I whawhai aku tūpuna mo tēnei whenua, I whakapau kaha hoki rātou kia pupuri au I taku reo. Nā oku mātua te whakaaro nui kia haere au ki te kohanga reo, te kura kaupapa me te wharekura anō hoki, kia tae au te tūrangatira I roto I ngā ao e rua.
Here are actions related to Māori business.
Auckland Council to facilitate increased participation for Māori business in new market development activities, such as trade delegations. Auckland Council to utilise existing media, online channels and events to promote Māori business to a wider audience.
The notion of rangatira or the notion of rangatiratanga, if not tino rangatiratanga, must always be seen within a context. The context being the reciprocal rights, obligations and duties of the rangatira towards his or her people, and the countervailing duties and responsibilities of those people to their rangatira, but more importantly, to each other.
To find out more about the Māori Plan or the Independent Māori Statutory Board, visit our website. Te pai me te whairawa o Tāmaki Māori. The Māori Plan, healthy and prosperous Māori in Auckland. Ti he Māori ora.